What's up everybody, how you all doing? I hope you're doing great, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today actually is on Tuesday. I'm heading to school. I have cat schedule today morning. I think 8:30. So this is actually my OTD. Yeah, so guys, I'll see you on the other side. Yay. Hey guys, what are you doing?
We are lazy, we didn't come to class.
Okay.
So tunapiga picha.
Guys, do you relate? Are you a student? You relate with this?
Mbona hizi notes za roba zinakaa?
Na ni more.
Notes za roba was zinakuwa hivi because anakuwa na handwriting big kama ya kuku.
Handwriting ya kuku.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Today actually is on a Wednesday. Aki, it's literally raining. Hata nahurumia simu yangu kozwa. And guys, I have a cat right now, 11, few minutes to 11. So si venye unaweza sema tutavumilia mvua. Aki, I can't, guys. Let me show you place napitia. Ay. Wow. Raining. Ooh. Kai, nitaifika. What a guys, I stopped shooting because of my phone. Katika path. That's where I've come from way far, guys. You see, it's actually raining. This is a time that I hate rain. Oh my god, see my shoes? Oh. Guys, I'm telling you, people are so bad. They can see the situation we are in right now. About the rain raining on you, but nobody can give you a lift, guy. Hey. God bless me with a car. Ciao. God bless me with a car. Cause well, it's really bad. Guys, I'm finally at school. The struggles, oh my god. Why? Hey, actually, if it was not for the cats, hey. Singedea. I can start this guy. Hey, hebu nimalize cause this struggle knows. No. Imagine guys, nafika kunaacha kunyesha. Hey. So guys, let me go and do the cut. I'll see you majioni. Yeah, tukienda home. Sindi. Appreciate myself for the busy week that I had. Nimeamua kupika kapoka hapa na kaugali. But naona mafuta, oh my god. The thing I did is add in oil. And the pork has nini inakuwa na mafuta. That's the mistake that I did. But the food is delicious with some ugali. So let me dine in. Nitaona kesho on Thursday. Today was actually a very busy day on Thursday. This is what I have been preparing. This is actually orange fleshed sweet potato bread. You can see the way it has a very attractive color, appealing color. Is what my project actually consists of. Yeah, orange fleshed sweet potato bread. So lovely. Yeah, you see the cute flowers. Ooh. Guys, I'm from school. I'm taking some tea because I'm very hungry and I can't imagine that I'm consuming my own product made with my own hands. Yeah guys, so this bread, I know you're wondering why it looks like this. Yeah, this is bread, not the normal bread. It's the bread from ngwashe and wheat flour. So yeah, this is my own work. clean shoes. Guys, for my Thursday dinner, this is what I'm having. Najua leo mnaweza niacha cause my plate is full. Yes, guys. I did this because this is the only rice that I've cooked because I don't want it to remain. Plus, nataka niacheka nimeosha hizi mavyombo today night because tomorrow I'm traveling and I don't take anything unless water when I'm traveling because I usually experience motion sickness. So I will eat heavily at night so that it can sustain me until I arrive to my destination where I'm going. So yeah, let's dine in. Guys, it's actually on a Friday morning, 6:30. So guys, I've already packed for what I'm going to take. I have my trousers, I have my few tops, my few bras, and one tight. Yeah, it's because I have a lot of clothes where I'm going, so I don't see the need of carrying a lot of clothes. So guys, the reason as to why you're not seeing me using sitting down, guys, imagine, I don't know what happened to my socket last night. It doesn't have electricity. So actually, I'm boiling my water with gas. Imagine. Hey guys, it's actually the day of traveling. Yeah. Wow. I'm so excited. I'm going to celebrate my Christmas holidays. Oh my God. I can't wait to see my siblings. I've missed them so much. It's actually 7 months since the last time we met. And wow. Hey. Right now it's actually 7:34. I think by 11 nitakuwa nimefika. So guys, I'll see you later.
It's past Embu University. Sawa.
Okay. Aki Kenya. Mimi tunahurumia ni students akishwali. Umeenda home. You can imagine. Na hata wazi wahurumia shwali. Walai ni wanafunzi shwali. But these people are very heartless. Very rude. Ni wa rude wewe. Hey. Today I'm very lucky. So today I was coming on my way to Nairobi. I passed through Sagana and that's where I bought this big mud fish. And guess the price, guys. These two for 350. And look the way they are big. Oh no, they are big by the guys. Very big. I think at Indondogo. They're very big. So what I did is just I washed them with some warm water because it has this slimy thing and I don't like it. So saizi nimeziosha, then I want to cut them into pieces, deep fry them and eat it with ugali and skuma. So let me do this and then I'll show you the after result. So I'm excited. Whole fish, I've already cut it into pieces and so let's deep fry it. Deep frying process. So guys, I've already deep fried them. So I'm just giving them this kazik soup. So guys, is the outcome. Yeah. I'm not eating a lot because I'm not hungry. Yeah. For my Saturday morning, this is what I'm having. Sweet tooth problems. This cake. I'll tell you. for breakfast. And this.